What's up, TT babies? What's good? So, y'all, it's been a lot, okay? It's been a lot. But today is January the 6th. Is it the 6th? It's currently like 1:57-ish, almost 2 o'clock in the morning. As you see, I'm in a new location. I'm in my home for the next 2 weeks. I just met with my trainer. So, I just got moved in, packed up. This is my bag. This is my little cubicle. This is my pillow, my comfort. Maybe I should put my shit all together. And then I kind of packed a lot, so I have my other bags right here. But that's all right. We're going to make it work because this bed is actually pretty long. So I'm going to be okay. And if all else fails, I'm probably going to have to put this bag over there. But it's fine because I'm not as long. This is like a twin, extra long, or like a... It's not even a twin. It's a little bit bigger than a twin, but it's extra long for sure. So I'm going to stack that bag on top of that bag. We're going to make it do what it do for sure. 100 pounds. Well over 200 pounds. So I was nervous about coming up here to this top bunk because I'm a big girl and I had to climb up here. I had to get on the ladder and climb up here. But it's pretty comfortable. We're in a new truck, so this is a new mattress. Everything is just giving what it's supposed to. My trainer's super cool so far. I'm so excited I got her. I'm blessed to say the least because I've heard horrible stories about trainers. Like, she thick like me, she look like me, like she's just cool, and she's young, like she's younger than me. So that's cool. So yeah, we hitting the ground running. I haven't slept in I took maybe an hour nap today. I got the news like 5 hours ago. There's a truck over there. But I got the news about 5 hours ago that I got my trainer. I met her about 5 hours ago. So we finna hit the ground running. I've been up since 5:30. It's 2 o'clock. Hopefully I get some sleep soon. I got to because I can't drive sleepy, you know. So, safety first, always. So, I'm about to brush my teeth. I don't know if y'all can see me that well. And it's probably loud, so. This is day, I don't know what day it is. I just took my first shower in the Pilot Flying J. I feel good as fuck. I feel clean. I feel fresh. I feel amazing. I feel like I'm sitting on top of the world, because I am. Top bunker, what's up? But yeah, top bunk shawty, she here, whatever. Y'all, I done drove like my first 700 miles. I'm excited. I've driven through the rain. I've driven through hills. I've driven through the mountains. Yeah, called me Truckity. We went to Walmart today. That was cool. Got me some groceries. Let me show y'all my little cabinet stash. Hold on. Yeah, so that's my cabinet stash. Got a fruit groceries, as y'all can see. Got me my breakfast items, my water. Got me some noodles, some chips, applesauce, some bread. Those are just random things. But yeah, that's my food. We just shut down for the night. We're in West Virginia. I'm about to get my bags and stuff in order, kind of get a little organization, and then I'll probably watch a couple of YouTube videos, and then I'm gonna take it in for the night. I gotta get up at like 5:30. We get on the road at 6:30. We have a load to Ohio. It's not gonna take us that long, but it's due in pretty early. So yeah, this is day 3, and I can't wait to come back and give y'all more updates. Bye. What's up, y'all? So it is day 12, and I am officially done with training. This is a bittersweet moment because my trainer was super dope, and we have to say bye to each other. We're about to part ways, and I'm low-key sad, but we're gonna get this money, okay? But y'all meet my trainer, Markeisha.
Hey everybody.
She cool as fuck, y'all. Make sure y'all follow her on TikTok, Instagram. I'm gonna link all that right there somewhere.
Yes, follow me.
Yeah.
We got a couple of videos together. Well, yeah, we got 2 videos together, so. I had a good time with T. She was very lovely, such a vibe. Yeah, she would do good out here on the road.
Period. So yeah, that's that on that. We're about to part ways, and then I'm going to find me a truck, but I'll see y'all later. Bye.